Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today we are walking around. My wife is vlogging too, so I'm not going to interrupt her. I was going to ask you, what's the name of this park? Montana? Huh? Bella Montana Park. It is short of down here at Bamban, and we're just going to take a little walk today. We got tired of sitting at home, and I said, come on, let's get on the motorcycle, see if we can get somewhere. And matter of fact, Janice's brother, my brother-in-law, and his wife went here for Valentine's Day. And they said, it's really nice up there. You guys got to go up there someday. So we did that. It's about a 35-40 minute ride from where we live. You come up through Clark, the free zone. And yesterday, I think I put out a little video for the ride coming up this way. So you look for that, and I'll post a link in the description. But look at the views, guys. Let me turn the camera around here and see if I can, down there you have, I think it's the Bamban Bridge. I don't know if you can see it right there by the green tree there to the left of that, and then you have Mountain Riot in the back, and then if you go around this way, those are views over Clark in New Clark City and towards the free zone. Right down there, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of far away. This camera has so much big wide angles that it doesn't pick up far distance very well. But right down there is New Clark City, where they held the Sea Games in 2019, November I think it was in 2019. But it was a pretty cool ride up here. It's a little dirt road coming up. So I was thinking, if it rains, it'd be hard to come up here because you can't really drive. Let's walk around on the other side a little bit, and that's the other mountain range over towards Mount Pinatubo and those ranges up here. So let's just walk over here, so see if I can stick the camera up here so you see where it is. But it's beautiful. Fresh air. A lot of people up here today, though. So you see the mountain ranges back here, and up there somewhere, I think Mount Pinatubo is. Maybe it's on that side there. But even on this hill you see here, even there you can see other mountain tops behind it. But it's pretty cloudy today, so it's not the best of view, but you get the idea. Over there, beautiful. Here the guys are here cutting the grass and working. Apparently they're cutting it with weed eaters around all over the place. Down here you have the valley. Let me see if I can get down here a little bit to the edge, and look, it's pretty steep going straight down here. But we can walk down here a little bit. So to get in here, it wasn't too bad. It was, as far as money goes, it was next to nothing. They charged, down at the gate there, they had like people sitting down there. They charged what they call an environmental fee of 20 pesos per head. There you get a little view of the valley. And I think that's the road we actually, yeah, I don't know if you see it down there, but you should. That's the road we came up on. And driving around this little mountain top. It's pretty cool. The environmental fee, 20 pesos a head. And when you get up to the gate, they charge you an entrance fee if you want to go inside the park. And we did that. They charge you 50 pesos for parking, like $1, and then 50 pesos per head. So what is it? About 190 pesos for the whole thing. But it's beautiful. And down here you can see they're growing rice fields and other things down here. It's very cool. Yeah, and up there somewhere, oh, there she is, coming down that way. She's doing her little blogging too. We just need to get out. It's refreshing. And look at the valley down here. It looks like some of it, at least over there, it could be rice fields. And farming is beautiful. It reminds me a little bit about, going back home to Samar, to the lot we bought a few years back, a couple of years ago, and now we really want to go there and start developing it a little bit. We're going to probably build a small little house and maybe some bungalows and open up so people can come and visit. But it'd be wildlife living for sure once we do that. So it's going to be fun. Beautiful views. So we're going to walk over on the other side here a little bit, I mean, I believe that to be Angela's over there. You can see all the high-rises. And then you have some new development probably up there behind the Clark New City, which you see right down there. Let's see if I can shift the camera down a little bit. But that is New Clark City. And then you have other high-rises coming up there that wasn't there prior to the SEA Games, but they're building. Some people say around 2025 they're going to have an entirely new city here. But that's 5 years away, maybe possible. I don't know. But the area is expanding incredibly, so that's pretty cool. During this pizza time, we call it pizza, guys. Pizza time, we have still the opportunity. Here she goes. How is she doing? Mananap. What's up, Mananap? Some of that is rice fields down there, right? That's what I thought. It's rice and
rice field.
I think that might be rice fields, and even the ones if you maybe walk down here, you see the plateau down there. That's probably rice fields also. So, and yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my wife's channel. What's up, Mananap? But it's mainly she does it in Filipino language. So
I just use our dialect.
Your dialect.
My dialect,
Waray
or Tagalog.
Waray.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
my
viewers is mostly.
So you're broadening your audience by giving English, Tagalog, Waray.
Sometimes I speak English if I don't know in Tagalog. I speak it in English if I don't know in Tagalog.
Yeah, well, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Very pretty.
Yeah, this place is so pretty.
It's very very peaceful
This is our
place.
first time to go here, so
Right.
I just saw this place on some of the bloggers, or Mike, my brother, went here on Valentine's Day. So I
Right.
told you to
Come here.
to come here also.
Yeah.
So we experience the beauty of this beauty of this nature.
Yep. It's nice. Very,
Yeah.
very nice. Beautiful.
Oh
Beautiful,
yeah, it's
beautiful.
so beautiful. It's windy also. So
Yeah, it's a little windy today. Hope it
yeah.
doesn't affect the microphone too much.
Mindful.
Let's walk around on that side a little bit,
Yeah.
so we can go up here and walk down this way, and we'll see. We're just gonna keep walking. We want to. Can you go walk here in this area? Yeah, maybe you can. It's a slanting though.
You scared?
No,
Oh my God.
I'm not
I think
scared.
you're a sleeper.
I'm not scared. Did you pack up my glasses, by the way?
Yeah. I put it on the box.
Okay, cool. Then we go.
Because I
Yeah.
know you're busy vlogging, so I decided to put it on the box.
It's walking on a little slant. It's actually a pretty steep slant there, but I'm gonna head on down this way. Feels good to get out a little bit. Sitting at home all the time, man. It's getting pretty boring. Got some palm trees and some other things. I guess that's what they use the environmental fees for, to keep this place up, because they keep it trimmed, the grass is cut, you know, everything is taken care of. It looks clean, no garbage, and we're I'm a little surprised, but you know that shows right. So then you go in here, you have some views over here as well, and somewhere down there is the Lady of Lourdes. There's a cell tower down that way. So gonna wait for the little lady to follow me here. Should we walk up this way?
Yeah.
All right. Trike service. Hello.
Hello.
That's pretty cool. Bella Montana Fruit Farm. New normal protocol. Avoid touching, and the short for it is men. So don't touch any men, okay?
Yeah.
It's mouth, eyes, and nose. That's funny. Instead, follow women.
Huh?
Wash your hands. Obey social distancing.
What
Mask up. Exercise. Eat well. No unnecessary actions. Please clean as you go. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. That was a fun sign.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. Instead, follow women.
Right. And women, you see the word woman here, right?
Yeah.
Wash your hands, obey social distancing, mask up, exercise and eat well, no unnecessary actions.
Yeah.
That should be,
Yeah, that's what we always do when we go to the place like this. We need to.
that was a funny sign actually. All right, so let's get up here and get the view without any bushes and trees. I guess people are coming up here with their cars and they're parking up here too. So. Wow, it looks good. Pretty interesting. Here you get a clear view of this is kind of severe down there and all that. So it's a pretty clear view. I'm always fascinated about that mountain because that mountain you see wherever you come from, down in San Fernando, up here, north, Tarlac, you see that mountain all over the place just because of its height. That stands over 3,000 feet above sea level. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice to put the,
Right?
like a tent.
Yeah, I don't know. Are you allowed to camp overnight here? I don't
know. Maybe on the day camping.
I don't know. But that is interesting. But people are here. They are here. They hang out, cooking. Got their little propane grills and other things here, and cook and have fun, right? All right. So that's Clark New City, right? Yeah. And then you have, I don't want to misinform you guys, but I think that's New Clark City because of the characteristics of that roof.
Yeah.
So.
That's Mount Araya.
Yeah. Yep. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I like
you
it.
See that mountain
anywhere you go in Pampanga, you see that mountain.
You see that mountain.
It is, it's an old volcano. Hasn't had any eruptions for hundreds and hundreds of years, but it's one of those historical volcanoes. Yeah. Okay. So let's walk over on the other side here. This is where the main entrance is coming into this place. This road, you see the fence line down there, and that's the entrance coming in here. It's pretty beautiful. And right up there on that hill up there, that's where the main entrance is. So pretty cool. If you haven't been up here, it's worth a picnic day to come up here. There's not a whole lot of people here either. What is it today? Tuesday? Tuesday. So it's a pretty day. Very pretty day. So, yep. All right, guys. There was just a little tour around here. And, up there, you got some drones flying around in the sky. If you can see them, I don't know. All right, guys. That was just a little tour around this park. And we are going to wrap this one up. Well worth coming up here. So if you're around here and have nothing to do and want some fresh air, take your motorbike, your car, whatever. You can get up here all the way up with a car. I will put a map link in the description. So all you got to do is click the link and you'll find your way up here. So I'll make that service for you. And you guys have a good day. God bless. We'll take care, and we'll see you soon again. Bye-bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.